Okay guys, Google just released his new AI image creator, Nano Banana, and everybody's wondering how to make money with it. Well, I already did that. I already made money with Nano Banana. I actually used it to make money with print on demand. So this is what I did. I went on Canva and I created my design. And of course I made my design to have a transparent background. That is important. After that, I simply clicked here on share and I downloaded that on my desktop. So next thing I did, I actually went on a website called Vecteezy. And then I clicked here and I chose photos. And I simply searched for an ordinary photo of some ordinary guy, okay? And then I simply clicked here on license type and I clicked here on free license. Now I searched for an ordinary image, ordinary photo made by some ordinary person like you, like me. That is important if you are doing mockups for a print on demand. And after I found that image, I actually went on Google Gemini. And then here I simply used Nano Banana. Simply click here to create an image. And then here I actually clicked on this plus and I clicked here upload files. And I uploaded those files. I uploaded image of the guy that I found that is royalty free. Now it is important to have a royalty free image, and also I imported an image of my design. So let me just find my design. Okay, this is the image, and then simply click here on open, and that's it. Now I simply gave it a prompt and I said something like this, right? And then right, a man knows his limits, but a real man can overcome them on his t-shirt. And that is the quote that I actually added on my design. And you also have here tools. When you click here on tools, here you can see different tools. I won't use any of those tools now, and I simply clicked here on submit. And now Google Gemini will create this image for me. Now I was surprised how quickly Nano Banana is making these images. It is much faster than ChatGPT. As you can see, it already made this t-shirt, but I didn't want this on this t-shirt on this guy. I actually wanted it on this guy here with the black t-shirt on the left side. So I need to say that. So I said add that quote on the guy on the left in the black t-shirt. And then I clicked here on submit. So now Nano Banana will actually fix that error. It's actually not the error, they just mixed those guys. So now here you can see this can be a problem. So I need to say now remove the quote from the guy on the right. I actually wasn't quite specific. So you need to be specific. So I will say remove the quote from the guy on the right side and then press enter. And now Nano Banana will do that. So the more precise you are in your prompts, the better image will be. It's like on all other AI generators, and here you can see it finally made this t-shirt the way I want. Like I said, this was my mistake. Nano Banana didn't make this mistake. I actually wasn't quite precise. I wasn't specific. So this is the image. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on this image, and then I need to right click here, save image as. And I saved this image to my desktop. Now, to be honest with you, I actually made this image in 9:16 ratio. This image is 16:9 ratio, so you need to make a tall image. So what I did next, I simply went on Instagram and I shared this t-shirt, this photo on my Instagram page. Now it is important to find the photos that are actually made by ordinary people, not the professional photographers, just an ordinary people. If you are doing mockups for print on demand, trust me guys, this works much better than professional photos, okay? That is important. And these are the results. As you can see, I got 1400 likes on this post and I reached 101, almost 102,000 people. And here you can see more data about this post. And I actually made some sales, but I didn't just share this on my Instagram page. I also paid some influencers to share this post on their own page, and I made even more money. So I also shared this post on my Twitter page. So let me just go here on my Twitter page, and let me just go here on my profile to find that post, and this is the post. Let me just go here, and here you can see I got 83 clicks. I reached 21,000 people with this post, and I made some money. Now when I go here on my big cartel store, here you can see I actually made $95 worth of sales. Now it's not much, but like I said, I'm paying influencers in my niche to start sharing my post, to start making, and I will start making even more money. Now this is easy way to make money with Nano Banana. Now another way to make money with Nano Banana is to actually recreate other people, successful people, YouTube thumbnails. You can use Nano Banana to recreate thumbnails, and you can offer that as a service on Fiverr or some other freelance website. But we will talk about that method some other time. So this is how you can easily make money with Nano Banana.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.